Are your mornings stressful, rushed, or just plain boring? Imagine preparing a healthy and tasty breakfast in just 5 minutes that not only tastes amazing but also fuels your day and makes you feel like an ultimate wellness rock star. In this video, I'm revealing the best 5-minute smoothie recipes for a truly healthy start. And trust me, these are going to change your mornings forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we make wellness simple and delicious. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our weekly dose of healthy living hacks. Today, we're diving into 3 of the best smoothie recipes you can whip up in no time. Let's get blending. We've all heard it, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But no one said it has to be boring or time-consuming. These easy smoothie recipes are packed with nutrients, flavor, and energy, perfect for busy mornings, post-workout snacks, or an afternoon pick-me-up. Smoothie number 1. Berry Banana Blast. This is your go-to for a refreshing breakfast smoothie that's bursting with flavor. Ingredients: 1 banana, ½ cup frozen mixed berries, ½ cup Greek yogurt, ½ cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon honey or agave, a few ice cubes. Why it works? Berries are packed with antioxidants, and bananas offer just the right amount of morning energy. Yogurt contains protein, so this is a good choice for a high-protein breakfast as well. Blend all of this until smooth and voila! A delicious smoothie recipe in minutes. Smoothie number 2, Green Power Cleanse. Want to feel amazing by 9 a.m.? Here's your ticket to a detox smoothie that's just as tasty as it is Instagrammable. Ingredients: 1 cup kale or spinach, ½ green apple, ½ cucumber juice. Of ½ lemon, 1 scoop plant-based protein powder, 3/4 cup coconut water, small piece of ginger. Why it works? It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural hydration, and that ginger kickstarts your digestion like nothing else. This is the perfect morning detox smoothie for anyone who wants to live a clean eating lifestyle. Smoothie number 3, Chocolate Peanut Butter Dream. This one feels decadent but is 100% good for you. Perfect for a healthy dessert smoothie or after-workout fuel. Ingredients: 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 3/4 cup oat milk, a pinch of cinnamon, optional ½ scoop chocolate whey protein. Why it works? This smoothie is flavorful and filling without destroying your macros. It's the go-to for anyone who needs a sweet smoothie without the guilt. Blend all that together, pour into a glass, and top with a pinch of cocoa or cinnamon pips for next-level smoothies. Use frozen fruit to skip the ice and still get that thick, icy consistency. Prep the ingredients in freezer bags for make-ahead smoothie packs. Add chia seeds, flax seeds, or oats for an extra dose of fiber and fullness. Want a boost? Add some match powder, collagen, or a pinch of turmeric. And there you have it. 3 of the tastiest 5-minute smoothie recipes for a super healthy way to begin your day. Which one will you make first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share with a smoothie-obsessed friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more fast, healthy recipes, meal prep ideas, and wellness tips every single week. Until next time, stay charged, stay happy, and stay blended. Start your day off on the right foot with these 5-minute smoothie recipes packed with nutrients, flavor, and major good vibes. Whether you need a healthy breakfast, a quick post-workout snack, or just want to step up your smoothie game, this video's got you covered. Checkmark like and subscribe for more easy recipes, wellness tips, and healthy living hacks.